this thing?
It's maintenance day. Thank God for Tristan. He's the real one. He helped us out because we're both not very mechanically inclined, and Tristan is. So we're doing all the fluids. He changed out my winch cable to synthetic. What do we gotta do? We gotta change Billy's belt, change all his fluids, try to install some lights, and figure out why his GPS charger's not working.
Well, I don't know. Come here.
Hey, come here, man. Let's take a look at this.
Hey, I didn't get the top washed.
Okay, well maybe that's why you're not getting a good connection. I'm sure.
Possibly.
It could be. It could be it. Tris, what do you think he's looking for, man?
Absolutely no idea. Let's find out.
What are you looking for, Billy?
Looking for my clamps or something, but oh, hi. How are you?
We didn't know where you're looking for.
Billy needs to clean his bike more often. Like after every ride.
I do.
Yeah?
Not this one.
When was your last ride? Yesterday?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, he sprays the outside plastics.
You look underneath, she's still clean.
I bet you that I'm scared to take your belt cover off, man. She's probably cemented on with dirt.
Hey, she hasn't had it clean since the river. Okay, man.
Poor Tristan, man. Look at that. He's done all the work and I'm the one bleeding. Hi, Chris. Okay, I'm reloaded. That's it for me. That's you what? Well, it stopped raining, but she's wet out there. We go for a little bit of a putt once we're done here. Well, that's a first, eh, Billy?
What?
I'm right.
Oh, fuck.
You know, one thing I was thinking about riding this winter, as it's been fucking frigid, is why don't they have heated seats for these fucking rigs, dude? Who's got that?
Nobody, but it's 150 bucks if you want one.
No kidding. Who makes that?
Can-Am.
Shut the fuck up.
Yeah, straight from them. 150 bucks.
Jeff Perry. I'll call you later today. Richie Ratchet, Richie Ratchet. Let's go get her dirty, wife. Yeah, that moment you're about to leave and realize you got no fuel.
Hey, I'm not the only one.
Nope. You know what? We had such a long maintenance list today, I forgot.
Go up there. You don't want him on it at all? Okay, you go up there. Just go up there. Stay to that left side. I'll tell you where roughly, because you'll see where the hump starts to build right in front of you. Move forward another 5 feet, because that's the hump where he'll hit.
Hold on, buddy. I'm just trying to get the ball.
I know.
I think you're better off right there enough.
Oh, yes! Woo! I hope he's fucking good up there.
Good, he's good. He slowed down right on the crest.
Oh.
You're good. That's it.
Tilly, you're an animal. Animal.
Ah, fuck walking down that.
Oh, you can't. Jesus.
Good on him.
Good. Yeah, no shit. Good job, Chris, because that took some cojones, brother.
Yeah.
That's a good. That's over 45 at most of it. Probably a good 50, 60 degrees.
Good on you, brother.
Good job, Chris.
That was fucking scary, dude.
No
Yeah,
kidding, bud.
I you know, I was fearing for you for a moment.
Were ya?
Yes, I was.
It's a tall order, man.
But once you passed me, I figured you had it. Had you like off while you were before me, I think it would have been a disaster.
I felt my front tires lose all weight,
Yes.
like about the 2/3 point, or like the 70%.
You lost all.
Right up by me, yeah.
Yeah, that's where you lifted, right?
Oh, did my tires go
No, no, no. Is that what you're saying? It felt like the level
Yeah.
right there.
But my tire, all four were planted the whole time, right?
Tristan,
Yeah, from what I could see, your tires were on the all time.
they look good from here, but I'm down
I
here.
was floating.
You were floating.
Oh yeah, there wasn't much on the suspension left. Good job, buddy.
All right, come on down.
Alright guys, so as we said, if we hit 400 subscribers before noon a couple weeks ago, Billy would ride around his quad naked. So time to pay the piper. Billy knows the assignment and he's ready to achieve A+ status here.
Holy fuck.
A little chilly, but I gotta say though, dude, it's freezing out, it's raining, and he's a trooper. God bless him. We do this for you. You're good.
Fucking love you, but that's cold. Give me that shit.
Hey,
man.
what happens if they hit 500 subscribers?
You mean what, 5,000?
Yeah, what happens at 5,000?
Well, let's start with 1,000. I'll go from there.
5,000, Billy will circumcise himself.
Well,
Buck, put some clothes on!
oh,